Navratri is a 9-day festival of fasting which is kept with much fanfare all over the world by Indians. But calling it a fast wouldn't be accurate, as most people actually feast on vrat ka khaana. However, if done right, Navratri can be a great 9-day detox for the mind, body and soul. It can be a time to reset and rejuvenate the system. So, let's take you through some healthy options so that you can detox your body in these 9 days. Number 1. Switch kuttu ki puri with kuttu ki roti. Kuttu ka atta or buckwheat flour is gluten-free and is loaded with proteins. But instead of drowning its benefits, quite literally in oil, with all that frying, you can simply eat a kuttu ke aate ki roti. Number 2. Balance the system with samak rice khichdi. Samak rice has fiber and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. On days of fasting, it serves as a great source of energy. In the 9 days of fasting, try to incorporate samak rice as much as you can. Samak rice has a high amount of protein, calcium, iron, minerals, and vitamin B complex. It is also gluten-free. It can rewire your system from all that gluten you have all over the year. Plus, it is excellent for people with diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Number 3. Include the superfood Amaranth in your Navratri menu. Amaranth is also called rajgeera in Hindi. You can make an Amaranth porridge or have it as a salad with potatoes. Amaranth is excellent in proteins, is gluten-free as well, and has a very high iron content and selenium, which is a major antioxidant. Number 4. Try to skip at least one meal. Don't be tempted to binge on Navratris with all that tasty food. Try to fast for long periods to really give your body a 9-day detox. You can break your fast with some coconut water, which will replenish the fluids, and even have something like lauki ka soup. This will keep your digestion light and keep you in great shape through the 9-day fast. Number 5. When making meetha, switch processed sugar with jaggery. Navratris are a great time for meetha. But in these 9 days, you can try to completely eliminate sugar from your diet. Switch to jaggery instead, which is much healthier. You can make sago or samak rice khichdi using jaggery and garnish it with nuts and cardamom to aid digestion. Eliminating sugar will give your body a feeling of lightness and greatly improve your moods. Navratris are a time to repair the body from all the harm and stress we put it through. Let's make the detox even more meaningful by incorporating these 5 suggestions as well. Let us know in the comments below which one of these healthy detox options would you take up this Navratri, and keep following us for more such content.